Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to explain to you the reason why the water can doesn't work in Hearttopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to water your crops, basically you just need to go to the toolbox and then equip the watering can and then select the plot that you want to water like this. But sometimes it doesn't work, and if the watering can doesn't work guys, maybe you are watering your crops during the rainy days or the snowy days. The watering can can't work during the rainy days or the snowy days, and you can't water your crops at night, so the watering can doesn't work at night. So make sure that you water your crops during the day, not night. And during the rainy season, during the rainy days or the snowy days, I recommend you to not watering your crops because it will not work. Okay guys, and that's all about the watering crops in Hearttopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.